Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired July 14th, 2025. The topic of that show was Becoming Heir to Divine Royalty. Swami, your thoughts?
Consciousness is experience. So denial of problems does little good when working with thought and belief. Become conscious of the divine creation and walk in spiritual nobility.
Looking for regal consciousness? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya